In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can add an EA to your MT4 or MT5 platform from the MySQL community. So first you want to launch your MT4 or MT5 application, and then to your far right, you want to select the little profile icon, and you're going to create an account if you do not have one. That's the first thing that you need to do. So you can see that I already have an account. So what I'll be doing next is basically showing you how you can add the EA, right? Now under the navigator section, you're going to look for market. You're going to expand and then select expert advisor, and then you're going to open it. And then you'll see a list of expert advisors on your screen. Now to get started with free expert advisors, you can select the little drop down filter here and then select free expert advisor. Then all you need to do from here is select the one of your choice. So I'm going to install this one that says free range breakout MT5. Then select download. So let's go back to our chart. I'm going to open a chart on one of these pairs. So I'm on USD JPY. Now to add the expert advisor to your chart, you're going to right click and then select attach to chart. Now if you want automatically trading from that EA, you'll notice you have an option to allow algo trading. You have options that you can customize the inputs for the EA that you're adding. So I recommend that you research all the information on the EA that you're adding. These parameters will vary, right? So I'm just going to select OK here to add it to the chart. So these are some of the signals that it generated, right? So I recommend that if you're using EA, you test them extensively on demo accounts, because what will happen with some of these EA most of the time is that they're going to be looking very profitable, and then boom, out of the blues, they may blow your account. So that's basically it. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.